Hello everyone, welcome to this video, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can free zoom over on TradingView. So basically if you want to just zoom in and out over on TradingView and just zoom in wherever you want basically without being restricted, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can do that. So there is maybe a chance that you are right now stuck in a situation where when you're at TradingView you just can't zoom up or down. You can only zoom in like this, but you just can't zoom up or down for some reason. Well, if that is happening and you basically want to free zoom, then what you simply need to do is hover over your price line right here, and then just make sure to click on this fits data to screen, just disable this, and once you've done that you will basically be able to free zoom whatever you want because the data will not be fitted in the screen. However, you will be able to free zoom because of that. And yeah, then you can basically just zoom in and out using these arrows right here, or you can also just press command and then zoom in, basically how you would normally do, or just scroll up or down with your mouse. So yeah, basically that's all we need to do. So yeah, if you learned something from this video, then please consider liking this video and subscribing to my channel, and I hope I will see you in my next YouTube tutorial video.